You are divine consciousness. And nothing, no event, no body, no critique, no failure, nothing can take that away from you. It's what you truly are, divine consciousness. And the way we live our lives here is that we value something out there. And then we believe that we are that this is part of us. Success, money, health, whatever you value out there, you think that you are that. And when it's not there, you think that you have lost worthiness and that you have lost a part of yourself. But that's not the case. You are divine consciousness, always. When you see the value and you can let go of it, then you can sink back into who and what you truly are. And be in peace and joy and bliss.